Okay, we got our rabbit here. And we're going to take wood filler and we're going to seal it all down with wood filler. Put it around here to round for the legs up a little bit. These ears come off. This will help seal it, and it'll fill all those little nooks and crannies and scratch marks you might have. Just use a little water on there to help smooth it out. And then we'll let it dry, and then we'll sand it down to smooth it out. Put some putty on there and then use a little water on your finger. That'll help smooth it out for you. So we're going to do that with the hands, the feet, and the head. And then we'll be back.